Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price change occur in Hedera hashgraph coin. What's the price change goes in Hedera, what's the current price of Hedera, what's the low, what's of Hedera, I will show you in this video friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. So friends, as you can see here, the price of Hedera hashgraph in the USD dollar is 0.3451 dollar, and same like that the price change occur in the Hedera is absolutely a good change. 2.02% goes up. Now at this time they are in the jumping mode. As you can see here, the price change is in positive, and the low price of Hedera is 0.3305 dollar, the low price, and the high price is same dollar 0.3656 dollar is the high price of the Hedera in the previous last 24 hours friends. Now let's see the price statistic of the Hedera hashgraph. As you can see here, what's the price change, what's the high price, I also show you. The price change is 1.83%, and the low I also show you in the start of this video. Trading volume friends, if we talk about the trading volume of Hedera hashgraph, so the trading volume falls down 1.12% falls down the trading volume in the previous last 24 hours friends. Now if we talk about the market volume, market cap, so the volume market cap is 0.0902 dollar, 0.0902 as the market cap of Hedera coin. In market dominance is 0.13% is the market dominance of Hedera coin. The market rank, the crypto market rank of Hedera hashgraph is 48. And now let's see the market cap and fully diluted market cap. So friends, the market cap is going upward. As you can see here, 1.78% market cap is going upward, and now the fully diluted market is also goes upward, 1.78% fully diluted market cap upward. Now friends, let's see the price predictions chart of the Hedera hashgraph of the last one day. That is, let's see the last one day price. As you can see here, now if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest videos. So friends, the last one day price prediction, as you can see now on the screen, a very high jump occurs in the Hedera hashgraph coin. As you can see here, at this period especially, a very high, they goes like a rocket straight jump occurs in the Hedera coin, and now they are in the jumping mode. So friends, my suggestion for all of you, if you are a holder of Hedera coin, so please hold your Hedera coin, because the more goes upward, the big explosion are again starts now. So please hold it and make a good amount of profit. And if you want to buy a Hedera hashgraph coin, so absolutely it's the best time to buy a Hedera hashgraph coin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel.